Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool drawing. I'm going to show you two different ways to draw this. One of them, we're going to take a square holding down the control button, and I'm going to hit P, and I'm going to make it 16 inches. And then I'm going to draw an ellipse. I've still got mine set on arc. And I'm going to make it 16 inches. And I'm going to hit P, and look at that. Now I'm going to Control D and make one 14 inches. That gives us this. So what we want to do now, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 15. I'm going to move this box out of the way, and I'm going to group this together. You know, I really don't, I do need the box. I'm going to move it back. Okay, now I'm going to get the ellipses, and you can see I've got a group of two. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and take the center and put it right there. Now I can take my virtual segment delete key and delete these inside lines. Don't delete the outside. We're going to go ahead and group this all together, Control G. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now, because we did that, I can move this out of the way. Control D to duplicate, alternate C to rotate it 90 degrees, and look at that. Now, with this one, you get a little bit of a sharp point right there. So let's draw it another way that we can do. Let's take this and, well, let's just delete it since I've already got one. We're going to take that square again and make it 16 inches. Size doesn't matter. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to draw a circle. Whoop. Get the ellipse tool and make it 16 inches. Whoop. And I'm going to hit P. Now I'm going to take the square, and I'm going to grab the shape tool and set it on scallop, and I'm going to bring this in. Now, if we take all this and make it something thicker than a hairline, let's make it 50 points, 45. Look at that. We got the exact same pattern, with the exception this time, we don't have that peak. We've got 4 different objects. And if we look, we've got the circle. So what you could also do is left click, no, take it, left click, no. Why isn't that? Oh, it's a line. So let's go to object and convert it to an object. Then we can left click, right click, take this one, convert it to an object, go to object, convert the outline to an object. We can left click, right click, and now we can take this and weld it. And now we have a one-piece solid item. And if we move that out of the way, we'll just have the Smart Fill. Now this one's not as thick as the other one, and it's a little bit different in appearance, but it's relatively as good. And you could keep going with this. If we left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 45 degrees, and then weld that, you get that right there. Total different look. Let's make that a dark blue. Look at that. Pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of ideas, and thank you for watching.